Hello everyone. This part is about simulation. Uh, what is a simulation? It's about PID controller, also electrical devices, also the mechanical domain. It includes multi-domain. Firstly, I highly recommend to the this video about the not include any trade trade intense. It's about the only educational purpose. It just include educational purpose. This is academic use license, and we use it for academic use, not anything else. And then we're gonna start. What are we doing? What we're doing is in here. We just build a system. The system refers to the electrical motors. The motor turning the Turkish meaning of vana, musluk, with the gearbox, and this rotational hard step, its musluk is open or close. It can turn 0 to 1 circle. It's 360 degree also. When we turn on the vana, the fluids, the vana let the fluid go to the 50 meter per second velocity fluid speed, and when you start to close the vana, it goes to the 0 velocity, 0 meter per second velocity. It differ close to open. Okay, and what we're going to adjust, we just change the constant value. It is our speed needed. We want to this system goes to the 5 meter per second speed value, and these calculations, this PI, proportional integral calculator, let system to hang out on these parameters. What is the domain of this parameter is speed, about the speed. What is this 1D lookup table? It translate the it's a calculator. Also, it's a calculator. The position of the vana refers to the speed. Just it calculated and it give us the correct speed value, and then we can look at the scope. What's it? I just want to show you. It differ from 5 to the other parameters, and then it relevant relevant to the PID, PI also, PI parameters. Okay, we just adjust the PI parameters. I think the integral start with 0 and proportional start with 2, maybe 1.4, 1.4, and then we look at the, after the run, we look at the scope. It goes to what, it goes to where it cannot go down under the 0, because this hard stop element uh, don't let to go down. And then where it's go, it's up to anything else, anywhere else. Okay, we just again adjust PI parameters. Okay, what can what's the meaning of this? It goes to over. Okay, what should we do? Again, we adjust this parameter 0.8. Okay, apply again, run, and then scope. What? It goes the top top of the list when it goes to the 5, 7, 8, anywhere close to the 8, and then we're gonna adjust this parameter again. Okay, 0.4, apply. Okay, run, and then we look at scope. It goes to the 8, anywhere close to the 8, and then we look at again. What is maybe we can add the integral value. Okay, it helps us to hang out the output value. It can be 2, it's so much, maybe 1. Okay, apply, look again, where are the scope is here. Oh, okay, but it goes to the under the 5. Maybe we just again we just adjust the integral value again, maybe 0.03. Okay, apply, run, and then look at the scope. Oh, adjust again the integral value. 0.1. Okay, run. Scope. Maybe we again look at the end of time. Maybe it's 100 seconds. Scope. Run again. Okay, it goes anywhere else. We should adjust the integral value again. The proportional is proper, but integral value is so low, and we adjust the value again. I think it's okay. It's proper to system, I think. Looking again. Yes, much more available, much more proper integral value. Maybe we just hit 0.7. Okay, I think. So much. It goes to 0. It's not proper. Again, integral value 0.4. Okay, run. Again. Oh, 0.51. Run. It goes to the 0 again. It goes to 0. So much. And then again 0.45. Okay, run. Scope. These measurements shows us the velocity when the 20 second is go to the 50. Now I understand it. What's going on in here? We misadjust this value. It should not 3060 to 50. It should be 50 to 3060. I think. Apply. Okay. Run. Look at table. Okay. Scope. It's okay, okay. Now it's okay. We misadjust this lookup table properly. What's the meaning of it? It converts this uh, position of the degree. It can be 2070 or maybe 3060. It converts to the scope of 0 to 50. It should be like this, but it calculates this parameter opposite side. It converts this 0 to 50 to the 0 to 360 range. It's okay now. I think we again adjust these PID values, and what's going on here? I think this proportional value is so much because it goes up and down, not hanging out any specific values. It should be hanging out, not up and down. It should be hanging out. Okay, we adjust these PID parameters again. Proportional value 0.1, integral value is okay. Apply again, run, scope, go and down, up and down. I think something is wrong in here. 0.01. Okay, run again, and then scope. 0.1. Run again, scope, again, and then again. It goes to the maximum 50, and after 30 seconds it goes to the some limit, and it's not proper. I'm pausing this recording in here because something is wrong. I don't want to continue this video like this. I want to search the problem, and when I find it out, I will show you how to fix. Okay, but in here, what's the purpose of this system? Again, it's constant value, summation is PI controller, PI calculator controller. It's feedback, it's unit delay. What is it? It some the previous velocity values as an integration, as an area, like under this scope, there is some area like triangular area. This integral value take all this area and uh, multiply by the integral parameters as a value. It give us this time domain values. Maybe I do in here something. Vanish the integral value as a 0 and proportional is 1. Apply, OK, and then run. What's going on in here? What's going on? It's go to the maximum value. Okay, but this scope, this scope is maybe okay. After the 50 second, it goes to maximum. Maybe it's okay. An integral value 0.5 and then run. Okay. Now more proper value. Maybe integral again. 0.85. Run again, and then scope. It goes down again. I think it's 1000. Yes, and run. Scope is going to anywhere. It's going to 0. Oh, it is frequently shaped like this. There's something wrong in here. it should be hanging out some values like around the 5, but it goes wrongly. I now at the moment I start to uh, search it, research it. Now I'm pause the record. After 1 minute, I find out a way to tune these parameters automatically. How is it possible? This MATLAB application allow us some utility. How can I control it? I just click the PI button, double click, and tuning. Where is the tuning? I select tuning method. Not this, tune. This one. I click this button. Is starting some something. It starts something. Okay. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? PID tuner in here. Is here. It's coming. It's coming. Yes. Tune the parameters. What's it? Is it proportional value? Is it so much? Response time. We want aggressive one. So then we should slip it right, and then transient behavior, robust, aggressive one, robust one, aggressive one, not aggressive one. I want the robust signal transfer function. I think it's okay. Update block. I wonder which values is it? Proportional 0.003, integral 2. A minus 6, 0.0000002. It's interesting, amazing. I just try it, run, and then it's amazing, bro. It's amazing. I couldn't hang out these values, but it perfectly keeps the value these values. Okay. We'll learn with you. It goes to 6 and goes down and goes up from up to upper side of the 5, and then goes like this. Okay. If we want these parameter is critically damped. We don't want to goes upper side of this one. We can adjust it, but I want this one. After how much time? After 200 seconds, it's stable. Okay, maybe this video takes so much time, but it's teaching something. Thank you.